Hello folks, Sam Owens here, and I've got a product that I've been wanting for a while. This is an Elite Gourmet XL heavy duty 16-inch by 13-inch electric skillet. It is really a great product to have in your kitchen. You can do so many things. And in just a little bit, I'm going to fix a breakfast for two in the skillet, and you'll get to see the performance of it. But let me tell you a little bit about some of the features, and I like it really well. First, you get a nice glass see-through cover, and it has a vent hole on it, and they did put the name on the side that you can see with the vent away from you. So that is good. Let me just put this over to the side. And here's another feature right here. If you want to pour any oils, cooking oils, or any sauces or what have you, it's got a nice pour slot here that will keep it from spreading all over. It'll direct it right into this slot. Now, this is a coating that is very nice. You're going to see in the upper right-hand corner some information about the skillet as I go through the program. It has a kind of a textured coating, texture on the bottom. You feel it's not completely smooth. Around the edges it's smooth, but it's kind of it's hard to say. It's a grippy type of material. I'm interested to see how this performs with cooking. And you're only supposed to use wood or plastic or soft material, no metal items in it. Here's another thing I like is it's completely waterproof. They've sealed the electrical connections here where you put the controller in, so you can completely submerge this in water and wash it thoroughly. I like that very much. You get a nice element layout here that covers the whole entire skillet area, so giving you a good even cooking. And the handles are nice, very substantial and comfortable. And they don't wiggle. I have had some that seem to be like loose, and these are nice, nice and substantial. And they've got rubber feet, which is real grippy, 4 of them, the pads. And so it holds on there, it's not gonna slide around on the counter. Here is another thing, is sometimes these are maybe tight to pull out. And so from pulling this off the counter, they've given you a little release lever here. What this does is pulls this out by squeezing it. Let me demonstrate without it being plugged in. You plug this in, line it up, and then push it in. Now, when you get ready to pull it out, you don't have to pull on it. You just squeeze this and out it comes. That is a great feature. I like that very much. You get an instruction manual, and it's a good idea to read through this. There's important safeguards and a lot of information in here about the skillet and the care of the skillet, and even some recipes in here. I am at a point now that I'm ready to start the cooking. Okay, everything is ready. We're plugged in. Now I'm going to get the temperature set, and let me move it so I can see. It says not to cook actually on high, but I'm going to put it up on high to get it heated. And you got a red light right here. So I'm all the way up, and then I'm going to turn it down 350, something like that. I like to put a little bit of spray in there. we'll let this get hot and we'll be back. I'm going to put it on about 350, and the light is going to go off when it reaches 350. So I'll be back when that light goes off. I see that things look like they're getting hot right now. I'm going to go ahead and pop these in because I feel the heat from it. I got it on about, yeah, that's just right. And I can put these, look at the amount of space I have to cook. This is the right size for doing all of this cooking, and I can do the whole thing in one in the skillet. My eggs and everything. So now we're going to let this cook and get them browned up, and we will be back in just a moment. I moved it up to 350, and I see that I can just roll these around until I'm ready for the eggs, which will be after these get pretty much ready to take off. I'll put the eggs on, and this is looking good. And I can feel that they're cooking, they're sizzling and doing really well, and it seems like all of the skillet area is a nice even temperature. Let's check out the temperature here. This is almost instant measurement. Look at there, 192, 91, 96, and 209. They are done. And now let's do the potato. 157.8. Let him go a little bit longer. But I'm going to take the sausage off. They are done. Okay, there we go. And now we'll get these cooked up and be back. So I'm gonna take these off. They're right just what they need to be. And I'm ready to go with the eggs. All right. Let's see how this works. Oh, look at there. It doesn't stick at all. It's just perfect. Give it a little time. Yeah, look how that just holds right in there, all of them. Very nice. I like that. Not a bit of sticking. All right, I'm going to go over here and flip this. Okay. Whoop. Sometimes you miss it. Okay. There. That'll be mine. Okay, now we're going to let these go a little bit until they're about medium. I like them medium. That'll work. Okay. Here we go. Okay. And all right. Okay. And it'll be ready for cleanup in just a little bit. Now I'm going to turn this off and use the squeeze so that it's not in place anymore, and pull that out like that. Okay folks, there it is, full breakfast, and we're ready to eat. I want to thank you very much for watching my video.